So I will do another unboxing. Ito yung front ng Waybill and then at the back from Flash. So yung nabili kong size 5 na wave ring, kasya lang siya sa 4.5 kong daliri. So, yan siya, yung aking wave ring. So, another face mask. And dito siya yung aking double heart ring. So, thank you for watching my unboxing, guys.